Hello there everyone, this is Christopher Edwards from Spirit Mouse Media. Follow along with me as we look for deer in the Chicagoland area. The species of deer we're looking for is the white-tailed deer. They're pretty populous here in the Chicagoland area, in the city of Chicago, but also in the surrounding suburbs. The county that we're in doesn't allow for hunting, so it allows the deer to pretty peacefully live their lives and not have to deal with some of the same pressures that deer in other counties have to deal with. So if you're looking for deer in the city of Chicago, or if you're in any of the nearby suburbs, they're not that hard to find. You don't even have to put that much effort to look for them. Many a times they'll just pop right up and be right there for you to see. My first suggestion when it comes to finding deer in the Chicagoland area is, of course, going to the habitats where you're more than likely going to find deer. So we have a pretty extensive forest preserve system, and this forest preserve system is in a lot of ways structured based off of major rivers that flow through the Chicagoland area. So going to spots like this where I am, along the Little Calumet River, and just walking through the forest, looking around, listening, and getting lucky, that's how you find the deer. So now you're in the environment where you know that deer are at. How do you go about finding them? The main thing to do is be observant, looking and listening. Even though deer are prey animals that specialize in not being seen and not being heard for their own survival, they still do leave traces of themselves behind. The most common traces are the scat that they leave, which is their feces, and also the hoof prints that they leave in the ground. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And also make sure to check out my channel, Spirit Mouse Media, to look for more videos just like this.